Hello and welcome, my favorite coder cats and coder kittens, to the first entry of my new series, Coder Kitty Decoded. This is going to differ from what I'm now going to rebrand my Coder Kitties Workshop series, whereas that is each lesson is a project, each project a lesson. In the Decoded series, we're going to look less at practical how do you build a thing, and look into more detail about the individual functions and commands within the code. The purpose of Coder Kitty Decoded is that you can look up a specific video for information you need on a specific command, specific line, specific event handler, what have you. So, this time we're going to look at states. Every script starts with a default state. Though it is possible to have multiple states, there aren't always a lot of reasons to do it. The really only reason you need to do it is if you want to have your code be able to run very differently off of the same input based on different categories of its operation. Like if you wanted it to function one way because it's attached, one way because it's detached, one way because, or a switch that causes it to function in entirely different ways, you could have it switch between different states. To show, and there it compiles successfully, it now has access to an alternate state. There are simple switches you can program in that will convert over to a different state just by going state alternate. Now, if I am to click it, it would actually go to an alternate state, say 0, on run, it's object hello avatar, click it, it jumps to I'm state 2, because that is set to run on state entry. So there's actually a twofer. You get state entry is code that is run automatically when a state is loaded. So there you go. That is the basics of a state. What command will switch states? State default. Automatically runs hello avatar. I'm state 2, hello avatar. Kicked it right back. So if you need completely different ways for your script to function, if you need to have it go from one mode to another mode, all of that is defined within the state. The state entry is code that will run automatically whenever a state is loaded. Everything else, whether it's touch, listen, memory, whatever else that you have, all of that will run on its own as you go. So, as I said, these videos are going to be quick references on very specific things. They're never going to be as long as my main series. If you want to look at Coder Kitty's Workshop, which is every project is a lesson, every lesson a project, where I go through how do you build something and use those projects as a way to teach how to use Linden scripting language code, a link to that playlist will be in the description, as well as one for this playlist itself in case you want to just keep track of all of them. We also have a Discord for the Coder Kitty Teaches community, and there will be a link for that in the description as well. So, as I'm used to saying, good day, good luck, happy coding.
Meow.